Welcome back TechWell family. Today we are going to see about one of the concept in SQL entry question, difference between delete, truncate, drop statement, and which is the fastest one for performance tuning. Let's see. I have already created a table like IPL team, and that data are presented here. Now suppose I am going to use the delete statement, means it will delete only particular or all the records from the table. So it will not delete completely. It will remove the data from the primary buffer, like a primary buffer, and the data are still presented in the delete buffer. If you are going to commit the statement, then only it will remove from the data. So one row I have deleted. Let's see, the second row is deleted. Now we can see truncate table. Truncate table means it will delete all the record from the table. We don't want to use where condition to mention or particular range of data. We can directly use truncate table to delete all the data from the table, but table still exists. The data only will be deleted. So let's see IPL team. So all the data are removed. Suppose I'm using drop table statement, it will delete all the table with all the constraints and the triggers, indexes, whatever joined with the table, it will delete it. So now let's check this table. It will not there. So IPL team is not there. So suppose you are doing like a performance tuning time. Whatever records are you want, just you can move those all the record to your temporary table. After that, you can drop the table and rename, create a new table with the same name, and you can use that. Thank you all. Bye. Please subscribe our channel to get more information like this. Thank you all. Bye.